The power of defensive driving, a life-saving skill on our roads. Defensive driving, a technique that encourages motorists to anticipate potential hazards and react proactively, is proving to be an indispensable skill in reducing road accidents and enhancing overall safety. According to recent statistics from the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, there has been a 15% reduction in traffic-related fatalities over the past year in regions where defensive driving courses have been widely adopted. This proactive approach not only saves lives, but also minimizes injuries and reduces vehicle repair costs. Emphasizing situational awareness, defensive driving teaches motorists to maintain safe distances, monitor other drivers' behaviors, and remain calm under pressure. For instance, recognizing erratic driving patterns or sudden lane changes can provide critical seconds needed to avoid collisions. Experts argue that while technological advancements like automatic braking systems and lane departure warnings contribute to road safety, they cannot replace the human element of vigilance that defensive driving encompasses. Moreover, insurance companies are acknowledging the benefits of this practice by offering premium discounts for drivers who complete certified defensive driving courses. Educational institutions and community centers are increasingly incorporating these programs into their curricula. As society continues evolving with fast-paced transportation modes, equipping drivers with defensive skills becomes ever more crucial. Through concerted efforts between government agencies, educational sectors, and insurance providers, promoting the power of defensive driving could drastically transform our roads into safer thoroughfares for everyone.